It's time for your favorite part of the show. It is time to pull up the popcorn because it is time for Staycation setup. You ready to earn your paycheck, Sienna?
I am ready.
Let's go because we got Caroline on the line. Check this out, man. She received a complaint from her neighbor to keep the bedroom noises down. But Caroline, you were out of town.
Oh, man.
Who the hell was your man having a sleepover with?
That's my question.
Oh, my God.
Tough start already.
Yeah.
Okay. All our stomachs are hurting for you. What do you do when you get that call at that point?
Well, I mean, I'm friendly with my neighbor, but she's never called me before. She called me like, I don't know, I was 10 minutes before coming back home, boarding the plane. And she felt really awkward bringing it up, but she said that she had to say something because she has an 8-year-old son. And she said that she could hear through the walls, like really loud bedroom noises of two people getting down. And she said it's been going on for the past 2 weeks. So if Bruno and I can be more respectful and keep it down a bit. And I was shocked. I just said, I've been out of town for a month, so it couldn't have been me and Bruno.
You guys don't have pets?
Or a loud TV.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, those the speakers, what are they called? The Sonos and
Surround sound?
surround sounds and
Bars.
sound bars. Do you have any like?
No, nothing like that.
I'm just trying at this point.
Anything, yeah. Just turn it all the way up.
Oh
You
gosh.
said you're out of town for a month. Were you in contact with him at all throughout that time?
Yeah, we talked every day.
Jeez.
I'm trying to piece this together.
Yeah, you know what, man? This might be, I think we're going to ask way too many questions when people listening right now. Just call him. Just
Yeah.
call the guy. Because if you've not been there and they're hearing these crazy noises from the bedroom and you all know what the noises can sound like,
Like what?
like, you are oiling the trombone.
He's definitely not there alone, and
Right.
I never said he'd be bringing someone to my place because we just moved in together. We've been together a year, but he moved into my place. Like,
And with your boyfriend, Bruno, do you know of any exes? Has Bruno ever cheated on you?
I don't, not at all.
Okay. Well, the only name he should say is yours. If he doesn't, the show is yours. Here we go, y'all.
Hello?
Hello, may I speak to Bruno?
Yeah, that's him.
Hi, Bruno. My name is Salinas. I'm calling with the Aurora Hotel. I have some awesome news for you. You're the winner of our free romantic giveaway for two.
Yeah, I'm not really interested in that.
Are you sure, Bruno? We actually want to put you in our penthouse suite with a honeymoon package. I'm sure you'd be interested then, right?
I don't know. There's some kind of catch to this, right? Like, you need my credit card information and you're going to charge me for it?
I can just be honest with you from the jump, Bruno. We actually need credit card information only to hold the room, but we will not charge it. It's a complimentary stay. All we ask in return is for an honest Google or Yelp review. That way we can get more clientele, get our name out there. We're kind of new to the scene, so that helps a lot.
What's the name of the hotel again?
The Aurora Hotel.
Okay. Yeah, let's set it up.
Congratulations. I'm so excited to set this up for you, Bruno. So something fun we do here at the Aurora Hotel is we actually address a sweet or saucy note to the guest you will be bringing. So I can give you a second to think about it, and whenever you're ready, I'll be here to write it down for you.
Let's do a saucy note.
What are we thinking here?
You're just so hot, babe.
Okay, let me go ahead and write this down. Is this a special someone you have in your life?
Uh-huh.
Okay, love that. Now that I have that written down for you, the most important question here is who would you like to bring on this free romantic stay?
Her name is Brooke. Do you need her last name?
Nope, that's enough for
Who
me.
the are you talking about? Who are you bringing into my home?
Hello?
Bruno, you listen, man. You are live on the radio. Our show's called The Morning Mess. Your girlfriend, Caroline, called us up and obviously suspected you might be
Caroline,
cheating.
Did you set me up?
Who are you in my bed? What the hell are you doing?
Look, why are you doing this to embarrass yourself? Why don't you just come talk to me?
Oh, I should be embarrassed? Who the hell are you bringing into my home?
What are you even talking about?
I'm talking about the fact that my neighbor called me to tell me that someone has been loudly in my bed for the past 2 weeks, and I haven't been home.
Why would she call and tell you something like that?
Because apparently it's so loud that her 8-year-old son is now traumatized.
Well, hang on. Okay, look, I understand you're mad. Relax and take a breath, and let me explain it to you. Just can we do this like
You
in
better
person?
Start talking now.
Can we do this like not in front of an audience in
Go
person?
ahead, talk right now.
I would rather do it in private.
I'm giving you the chance to explain right now, and if you don't, I will take it as you are being a f***ing liar.
I'm not going to continue having this conversation right now if you're going to talk to me like
I believe you.
You need to
I
calm
let
down.
you move in with me, and you take advantage by bringing some bitch into my home.
Can we just be mature adults about this and talk about this in a calm manner?
No, you're done. Okay, we're done. When I
Okay.
get home, you better not f***ing be there. Get your shit and get out.
You
Anywhere
haven't
else.
even heard my side of the story yet.
You and your animal noises. Get the hell out the house. Take the sheets with you.
Oh, who are you?
I'm the moving company. My name is Nacho. I'm at the door. Open the door.
I don't care how you get it out of my apartment. Just get it out. Anything
Wait,
that's
hang
left-
on. Before I move
Send me
where am
fire.
I going to move to? I
don't
don't
give a
have
where
place.
you go. Why don't you go to that bitch's house?
There she goes.
Man, the
there it
rocket
is.
launcher's out.
All right. You know what? Bruno, you still there?
Yeah,
Just
what?
want to make sure to hang up on you. Hold on. Everyone stand up. Round of applause. Caroline.
Standing ovation.
Oh,
Yes.
man.
Caroline.
Ed.
You spoke for so many women that got done wrong by their men.
I'm sorry, guy. I know.
No.
Do not apologize.
not
We
apologize.
said the show would be yours, and you owned it, so I applaud you, girl.
Now I gotta get a new bed.
Yeah, maybe just move out. Go get in a different apartment.
Yeah, maybe a new couch, too. You never know.
I know. He probably did it everywhere. New sink, new fridge. Just move the hell out.
Break the lease.
That dude needs a behind lick.
Excuse me.
What is it when someone's choking?
The Heimlich.
Heimlich.
Yeah, behind lick. He needs the behind lick maneuver because he can't breathe.
Yeah.
Move. I am nowhere to move.
Oh, gosh.